In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a footer message for all Gmail users in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a consistent footer or legal disclaimer that appears on every email your organization sends through Gmail. First, head to the Google Admin Console. Sign in with an administrator account so you have the right permissions to make organization-wide changes. This is where all the settings that affect your users live, including email policies. Once you're in the admin console, open the Apps section. This area controls the services your organization uses. If you see a list of services, look for Google Workspace, and inside there, you'll find Gmail. Go ahead and click Gmail to open its settings. Next, navigate to the compliance settings. Compliance is where Google places policy controls such as routing, content rules, and the footer feature we need. It's designed to help you meet legal, branding, or communication requirements consistently across all users. Inside compliance, find the append footer option. This setting appends text to outgoing messages so recipients see it at the bottom of the email. It's ideal for company-wide branding, legal notices, or reminders that must appear on every message. Click. Configure to create a new footer rule. In the configuration window, give your rule a clear name so you can recognize it later. You'll then enter the footer content. Keep it concise, stays professional, and relevant. Many organizations include their company name, website, a brief confidentiality notice, and any regulatory forwarding they're required to show. You can use plain text or HTML for formatting, such as line breaks, links, and simple styling. If you include images like a logo, make sure they're hosted at a publicly accessible URL so recipients can see them. While you're here, choose when the footer should apply, external, internal, or both, and leave the scope at the top level organization if you want it to affect all users. Remember that personal Gmail signatures still appear. This footer is added in addition to those. When your content looks right, click Save. Changes can take a little time to propagate, so allow it up to an hour before expecting it to appear on all messages. For peace of mind, send a test email to both an internal colleague and an external address to confirm the footer displays as intended. If anything looks off, return to the same compliance area, edit the rule, and save again. That's it. You've set a universal Gmail footer for your organization in Google Workspace, ensuring every message carries the same, consistent information.